Welcome! In front of me I have HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I'll show you how easy you can log out from one of your Gmail account. You have to go for the Gmail, click to take me to the Gmail, and as you can see I'm already logged in with 2 accounts. So if you want to remove one of them, I'm going to make it with this one. You have to click to manage accounts on this device. Right now we have to pick account that you want to remove, click to confirm, and then tap to remove account. After that, when you go back, right now we are only logged in with 1 account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.